Hey guys, this is Jake with Cali Raised LED. Today we're going to be showing you how to utilize your aux switches on your 2024 plus Toyota Tacomas. In your vehicle, you're going to have three auxiliary switches, aux 1, aux 2, aux 3. Aux 1 is going to be a 15 amp, aux 2 is going to be a 10 amp, and aux 3 will be a 5 amp. In your vehicle, you're going to have a supplied plug. It's going to have a plug end and then some exposed wires. This should be in your center console or your glove compartment. So now inside the engine compartment, you're going to be right next to your washer fluid portion. You're going to be utilizing this exact plug right here. There's a cap on it, so you're going to be removing it. And now you have access to the plug. So you're going to be utilizing the pigtail and connecting it into that location. So now that the plug is plugged in, we are going to be utilizing all the wires right here. You're going to have a black and white. That is going to be the ground for all of these wires. And then you're going to have the black right here, which is going to be aux 1, the green, which will be aux 2, and then the white will be aux 3. In this video, we're just going to be hooking one set of lights up. So all we're going to be doing is connecting the black and white and the black together to meet aux 1. So now we're at your vehicle with the wires. We have our tool right here. We're going to be exposing our wires. We're going to be utilizing butt connectors in this video, but exposing the wire, crimping this down, then we're going to connect our other wires. So now this is going to be a very generic wiring video. So for instance, I'm going to hypothetically install some Cali Raised ditch lights. So with Cali Raised ditch lights, you're going to be getting a full wiring harness. What's really nice about this is you're going to be utilizing it just because it does have some nice wire on it and is going to be exposing, again, a red and black wire. So you have two options with the wiring. You have your LED pod right here. If you did cut this end right here, it would expose a red and black wire. But again, we're utilizing the wiring harness. So since you would plug it in, we would have our ditch light right here, have it plugged in. You're just gonna figure out exactly how far you want your wiring harness to go and then cut it at that location. So now that we have the wires exposed, we're going to go straight back to the pigtail, connect our positive and negative to these portions. Again, what we're going to be doing is the black and white on the pigtail is going to connect to the ground on the pod, and then the positive red is going to connect to the black. So now that we connected the positive and negative together, you can start going inside the vehicle and click aux 1 and it will turn on the lights. Okay, so now the light just turned on, so your aux switches work. Just to go over everything as a whole really quick, again, you're gonna have your pigtail and a positive and negative. So this green now and this white are gonna be aux 2 and aux 3. So if you did wanna hook up some other lights in the future, you're gonna be utilizing the shared ground wire and then hooking it up to either one of these right here. Perfect, thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And if you need anything for your Toyota Tacoma, make sure to visit www.caliraisedled.com.